Hi, I'm Tanya from BIMTLY, and today I'll show you how you can easily organize your files in BIMTLY Drive. I'd like to mention that BIMTLY is a cloud-based platform, so it means there is no software installation required. It's a web application that opens directly in the browser, whether you're using a mobile phone or a laptop. Logging in is very simple. If you don't have an account, you go sign up. If you do, you go sign in. And here we are on the dashboard. In the bottom left corner, you can see that you have all the information related to your organization. You have activity and profile, and you can also switch between light and dark mode. In the top left corner, there is a central menu with a direct access to all your applications. From here, you can easily switch between them. For example, if we go back to profile, you will notice that there is a main menu which changes accordingly. And if you want to go back, just simply click home, and there you can enter your drive again. Here we can see the standard file and folder view. You can open any file to see a preview. For example, whenever you select a file or folder, for example like this, you will see that an action menu appears, allowing you to share files and folders with others. You can upload files in the standard way. You go New, Upload. For example, we're going to take this photo. You see that it appears here, and if you go right click, you can see that you have a lot of options from preview, optimizing, downloading, etc. You can also simply select an image and drag and drop it here. For example, we're going to take the same one, we're going to put it here. The image appears, you can see that you can optimize it if it's necessary, and we can also create a new folder. Name it, for example, new photo, create, and we can drag and drop the photo inside. To explore more options, just go right click on a file. From there, you can open it in the editor, you can preview it, view file information, and you can access other actions. You can also search within the drive by file name, for example, new photo. You can see that it appears here. And if needed, you can enable the option to search across the entire drive. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Start organizing your files today with BIMTLY Drive and make your workflow simpler and more efficient. See you in the next tutorial.